Imagine hitting the open road with a home that moves with you. Soft lighting, luxury seating, a kitchen that feels better than some apartments, and a driving experience smoother than most SUVs. Today, we're stepping inside a machine that's rewriting what an RV can be. This is the 2026 Toyota Motorhome, and trust me, you've never seen comfort on wheels quite like this. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Silent Speed. Today, I'm giving you a full cinematic walkthrough of the brand new 2026 Toyota Motorhome, an RV built for travelers who want style, comfort, technology, and that unbeatable Toyota reliability all in one rolling sanctuary. If you've ever dreamed of turning every road into home, this one's going to speak directly to your heart. Let's begin with the exterior. Toyota has kept things clean, modern, and surprisingly sleek for a vehicle of this size. The body lines are soft but confident, with a slightly futuristic stance, almost like a blend of a premium van and a compact luxury bus. The LED strip lighting up front gives it a signature look at night, and the raised roofline instantly hints at a spacious interior. On the side, the powered awning folds out effortlessly, transforming any stop into a relaxing outdoor lounge. The storage compartments are tucked neatly into the lower body, sturdy and practical, exactly what you expect from Toyota. Step inside, and the entire atmosphere shifts. You're welcomed by warm ambient lighting, soft fabrics, and cabinetry that feels closer to a boutique apartment than a motorhome. The living space is balanced, open enough to feel airy but cozy enough to feel like home. Panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, giving the motorhome a peaceful, elevated vibe whether you're parked by the sea or in a quiet forest. The seating is plush, ergonomic, and adjustable to suit long trips or casual lounging. The dining area works beautifully as a workspace too, with a solid table that doesn't wobble and enough room for laptops or meal prep. Storage is everywhere, but never intrusive: overhead cabinets, under-seat spaces, hidden drawers near the entry, and thoughtful shelves built right into the walls. The kitchen continues the theme of smart luxury. A dual-burner stove, convection microwave, deep sink with a sleek faucet, and a surprisingly roomy refrigerator make meal prep a pleasure. Everything is soft close, cleanly designed, and built with durable materials that can handle life on the road. The bathroom is compact but genuinely functional. There's a proper shower with a skylight, a real toilet, and clever storage for toiletries. It's the type of washroom that doesn't feel like a compromise, especially for a motorhome this size. At the back, the bedroom delivers a hotel-like feel. The full-size bed is thickly cushioned with a soft headboard, perfect for sitting up to read or watch TV. Ambient lighting, USB ports, small shelves, and hidden storage complete the space. It's private, calming, and surprisingly roomy. Tech-wise, Toyota pushed hard. A central touchscreen controls lighting, climate, battery levels, and water systems. You also get solar charging support, multiple 120 volts outlets, and a digital dash that makes driving feel more refined than traditional RVs. Safety features include lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and Toyota's advanced stability system designed specifically for heavier vehicles. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome runs a reliable 2.8L turbo diesel paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It's not built for speed, but it delivers steady, confident power even when fully loaded. Fuel efficiency is impressive for a motorhome thanks to smart tuning and aerodynamic shaping. In real-world use, this motorhome shines. It's compact, enough to park more easily than oversized RVs, and the ride quality is genuinely impressive. The suspension handles rough roads gracefully, the cabin stays quiet at higher speeds, and the turning radius is manageable in tighter spaces. Everything inside, from the kitchen to the sleeping area, is genuinely usable, built for people who actually travel regularly. The advantages are clear: a premium interior, excellent practicality, smooth driving, strong reliability, advanced tech, and great insulation. On the downside, the price is definitely on the higher side. Color options are limited, countertop space in the kitchen could be larger, and taller travelers may find the bed a bit tight. But even with these small drawbacks, the overall experience is exceptional. This motorhome is perfect for couples, solo explorers, digital nomads, retirees, and anyone who wants a luxury travel lifestyle without the bulk of a massive RV. It balances size, comfort, and technology in a way that puts it in a class of its own. What truly sets the 2026 Toyota Motorhome apart is its harmony of luxury and practicality. Most RVs either feel too bare or too over the top, but Toyota found the sweet spot. From value to build quality, everything feels intentional. The materials resist wear, the systems are easy to maintain, and the layout supports real long-term travel. The solar setup and energy management also make it ideal for off-grid living. Driving it feels refreshingly refined. The insulation reduces noise dramatically, the steering feels natural, and the safety tech takes the stress out of long-distance routes. The panoramic windows, smart interior lighting, and hotel-inspired bedroom give it a sense of modern living that's rare in this segment. After spending time with the 2026 Toyota Motorhome, the verdict is clear: it's not just an upgraded RV, it's a new way to experience travel. Smooth, beautifully designed, intelligently engineered, and ready for the modern traveler, it delivers comfort without compromise. If you want to take your life on the road with style, this motorhome could easily be the perfect partner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.